Calling all ice cream lovers, let's make our own healthy nice cream recipe. A yummy healthy nice cream made with frozen banana base. It is called nice cream because it mimics the classic ice cream but still good for you. These are the ingredients. 3 frozen bananas sliced. Simply slice bananas evenly and place it in a container. Place the container in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon almond butter. You can also use peanut butter. 1/4 cup almond and coconut milk. You can also use any plant-based milk of your choice or still water. For toppings, 1 banana sliced, cacao nibs, coconut flakes, and chia seeds. When the bananas are ready, remove from freezer and place it in a blender or tall cup. One tablespoon cocoa powder. You can also use cacao powder. Add 1 tablespoon almond butter. Pour a 1/4 cup of almond milk. Blend until smooth. Remove the cup from blender and place it in the freezer for at least 45 minutes before serving. When the ice cream is ready, remove from freezer and transfer it to a serving bowl. Topped with sliced bananas, coconut flakes, cacao nibs, and chia seeds. And there you have it, healthy cocoa nice cream. Serve and enjoy! If you like the recipe, comment down below and be sure to subscribe on my YouTube channel, C&J. Check out and follow my social media accounts at C6J Travels. See you guys in my next uploads. Ta!